Let me show you how to transfer videos from your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro to your smartphone using a simple USB cable. So first, let's turn on our camera. And then you simply want to open its USB port. So this can be used both for charging and also data transfer. So you see, I simply connect it to my camera. And then you're simply going to plug it in your phone. And as you see this option here, so you want to select the first one. By default, automatically will connect. So let me show you that again. So if you connect it, you should see the screen. So you select this file transfer USB, so the top one, and then you see it's connected. And then we can access files. When you plug in your cable, it doesn't show that and it can't connect, then simply try another cable. Just because cable is good for charging doesn't mean it's good for data transfer. Also, maybe it's simply worn, so literally try another cable. That's the most common problem. Then, for example, I have Samsung phone here, so I would simply go in the Samsung folder and open the My Files app. So you simply want to open the file manager on your phone. So if I go here in the USB storage, the videos are located in the DCIM folder. So click over here and see, I can see all the videos here. I can either stream the video directly from the camera here, or also I can simply click on the file and click copy, for example. And also see you can select multiple different files at the same time. So click and select what you need, then either move or copy. So let's copy. So click here on the internal storage, and then you want to maybe create a folder or simply place somewhere. For example, let's create a folder on our phone and simply copy here. Okay, so see the files are copied, and if I go in my phone gallery, I will be able to see all the pictures and videos. Once done, you can simply disconnect and you are done. Okay, good luck.